Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase your domain and hosting. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm also going to show you how to install WordPress in live server. You know, my previous video, I talked about installing WordPress in a local server and also installing WordPress in a free hosting. But in this video, I'll show you how to purchase your domain, purchase your hosting, and also install WordPress in the live server. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I will be using Namecheap for this video. So just go to namecheap.com, then search for it and you land on this page. So I'll be using Namecheap for the sake of this video. But I already made a review of like 4 hosting platforms. So I'll put the video link to the video in this video description and also in the pinned comment, so you can go and check the video out and see if you like any other hosting that is not Namecheap, you can go for that. The process of purchasing domain and hosting is the same. It's just that their interface looks different. So now let's get started. I'll be purchasing a domain for a new website I'll be using for tutorial in this channel. So I'm going to choose the Sons learning. The Sons learning. So now you search for this. That will just search for your preferred name, maybe your business, any name of your business, or just search for it here. Then you click on search over here. You can see search. Then it will search the name and bring it out. So it will search the name and bring it out. So now you can see the Sons learning. Then Data Academy, you can purchase it for $10. If you want it to add it to cart, you can see .com. You can see .com over here. You see they are doing promo. If you're a newcomer, you're getting the domain instead of $11, you're getting it for $6. So you can go check them out. This is not a sponsored video from them, just that this is the hosting platform that I use for my business, for my clients, to design websites for my clients. So anyone you want, you just click on add to cart. I already added this into cart when I was checking something, but let me just clear the cart and add it again. So I'll clear the cart. So item, delete it. So the cart is empty. So now let's scroll down so you can check. This is this.tech.online.sy. This is called the extension, the domain extension. So you choose the domain extension, preferred domain extension. So some people go for .com. So some people go for .com. So but for the sake of this video, I'm going for something cheap because this is not just mainly for tutorial. So I'll be going for this .online. They are giving it to me for less than $1. So but the renewal is going to be very costly. So but for the sake of this video, I'll be using it. So I click on add to cart. So immediately I add it to cart. Don't go for any other thing. Don't buy hosting yet. We are going to buy the domain. Then after purchasing the domain, we head over and buy the hosting too. So separate, because sometimes you prefer to buy your domain in one platform and go buy your hosting in different platforms. So sometimes we do that for some security reasons. So when you go deeper, you find out the reason why we do that. So once you are done, you click on checkout here. You click on checkout here. So once you click on checkout, so you land on this page. So I'm going to cancel auto renewal, because if you leave auto renewal after 1 year, then if you want to buy it for 2 years, this is where you select 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years. Any number of years you want to buy, the total will change. So but I'm going to go for 1 year because the promo price goes for only the people purchasing for 1 year. So then you can see everything here. You just leave the hosting for now. After this, we purchase the hosting separate. So once you are done, you can scroll down, confirm order here, or you can confirm order here. You can see that it's above $1 because they added account fee of 0.22 cents. So they added it, so that is why it is above $1. So you click on confirm order. So you click on confirm order. So once you click on confirm order, then here now you are going to create an account. So you enter your first name, you enter your first name, then you enter your first name, you enter your last name, enter your last name. Just make sure your last name is correct. So this is not my last name, but just my name. Then here now, the email address I'm going to use this email address. So I'll use this email address. Then my username, I'm going to say my username, because this is the username you're going to be using to log in. So this username is what you'll be using to log in. So this particular email I use is test email, so I don't use the email. So if you send mail there, I won't respond. Then I'll use Sons Learning. You are going to be logging in with this. Then password, I'll use their generated password, auto-generated password. So the generated password for me use. So I will open it and copy it so that I'll use it and log in after everything. I don't want to forget it. So now you click on create a account. So make sure everything is set. So now you click on create account. You can see you click on create account. So it's loading. It's loading. So now the account has been created. And network is somehow dull, so I'm going to pause this video until network is strong. So now my account has been created. You can see it over here. So my account has been created. So let's scroll down. I'm registering on behalf of a company. If you are registering on behalf of a company, you tick it, but I'm registering for myself. So here now I'll enter address, and my address is let me write my address. Just enter your address. Make sure you enter address here. My city is Lagos. So enter your address. So phone number, I put my phone number here. So you put your phone number. So just fill in the form exactly the way I'm doing it. With my network is hanging. So I'll put my phone number. So I'll select my country code here. I'll select my country code. So I'll put my phone number. Then You can add this one if you want, but I don't have it. So this is my email. Then I click on continue. You can click over here or here, any one of your choice. Then here now is the payment section. So you are going to you cross check everything here. You can cross check everything. So make sure you cross check everything. Then if you are done, you click here to continue, or you click here to continue. If you want to save the configuration for checkout. So now here now is where you are going to add your payment details. So here now I'm going to pause this place because you cannot see my payment details. So once you are done adding, let's say you add your card name and you add your card number, then once you are done you click here. So I'm going to once you are done you click here or you click here. So I'm going to pause this video and enter my card details. Then I'll see you on the next section. So I'm done entering my card details. So then you can also pay with PayPal. If you have PayPal, you click this PayPal option. So you pay with PayPal. You can also fund your account. So that one will be in the next video. I'll tell you how to fund this account. But if you have PayPal and your card, you can pay directly. So you click on continue. So I click on continue. No thanks. So now they said this is the order summary. So the order summary. So once you are done, you click on pay now. You can see pay now, so it will go. So the order summary, the item is processing. So your order placed on is completed. So it is now successful. So it is successful. They have debited me. So once you are done purchasing, then you click here now, go to your dashboard, click on dashboard. Then inside this your dashboard, you are going to see it here, see the domain we just purchased. You can manage the domain over here. So now it's time for us to purchase the hosting. So I'm going to copy this domain name because we are going to use it to purchase hosting. So this is how you can purchase your domain. So if you know how to purchase hosting, you can stop this video here. But if you don't know, then continue watching this video. So now come over here, you see this place, the shade hosting. Click on shade hosting. We are going for shade hosting. You can go for any other type of hosting you want, but for smaller business and smaller website, we use shared hosting. So you scroll down. So this shared hosting, they are in a trial period. So you scroll down, you choose any one of your choice. You have to read this thing. So if you have a smaller website, you go for this one website. If you have a bigger website, you're expecting bigger traffic, you go for this. Then if you are doing it for business, maybe you are a web developer and you want to be getting clients and hosting them, you can go for this. So but in this case, I'm going for this particular one. Let me show you the price you pay if they are not running their trial promotion. So this is what you pay monthly if they are not running their promotion. This is what you pay monthly. And once you select here where I select yearly, if you select monthly, you are paying this. If you select yearly, they will give you discount. If you select by yearly, that is in 2 years, they are going to give you also discount. So I'm paying yearly. So this is what I will pay after the free trial, after the 30 days trial. So that is how they bill. So let me show you again. I'm going to pay 2.28. If you multiply it, it's almost 29 dollars. So after the trial, $26. So let's continue with this 30 days free trial. I'm going for this one because this particular website is just for educational purposes, tutorial. So I'll go for 30 days. So now you are going to select existing domain. Then here is where you paste in that domain name as said. So existing domain. So you can purchase domain by buying hosting. You buy them together, but I have to show you how to separate it because you might decide to buy hosting in another platform, or you decide to buy hosting in this platform. So click on connect. So you click on connect. So you click on connect. So you can see now it has been connected. So it is 30 days free. So you click on add to cart. So this is how you can get it. So you click on add to cart, then you click on confirm order here, or you scroll down, click here to confirm your order. So once you click on confirm order, you are no more going to pay because before they already because this is a free trial. So when they will charge you, you will now pay. So you agree to their terms, click here pay now, or click here pay now. So if they are no more on trial, this is the section you are going to pay, add your payment details. But because they are now on trial, you are going to pay for free. So I click here pay now. So it is processing the order. So if they are not running promo, you enter your card details just like I did when I was purchasing domain. But because they are running promo, so you are not going to enter the card details. So just the order is processing, maybe network. So if it is taking time, I'll pause this video and we continue. Let me pause this video. So you can see they say your order has been completed. So I now have my hosting purchased. So now after the 30 days free trial, they will now send me a message to charge me through my card. So once you are done purchasing, just click on your dashboard. So you click on your dashboard, then you can see we have our hosting sheet. We have our hosting purchased. This is our domain. So they are showing yellow alert. So yellow alert. I have to verify my domain first. So I'll verify it later after this video. But you can see I have purchased my domain. This is the hosting and this is domain. So this is hosting Stella. So very soon, let me refresh because the hosting is still propagating. So once it's done propagating, then we can go to the cPanel. So it is done. Okay, it's still propagating. So you can manage it. So this is okay. So let me verify my. I'll pause this video and verify my domain. Let me see if the propagation will take place. So for some reasons, Namecheap is yet to activate my hosting. It doesn't take this long, but I contacted them and they said that this is where I contacted them. So they said that their system have some issues. So I don't want this video to delay or be too long. So because of that, I will be making another video on how to install WordPress separate, and I'll put it in this video description. So but for now we have purchased, this is the domain, so we can manage the DNS here, and this is the hosting, so we can go to cPanel. So the next video I'll show you where to go to cPanel. This is our SSL that will be automatically installed for you once you purchase your hosting from Namecheap. So I'll be stopping this video here, and I'll put the part 2 of this video where we are going to install WordPress in this in the next video. So stay tuned. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this you get notified. So if you encounter any difficulty in this process, notify me in the comment section. I answer to every comment. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on my next video.